Ever feel stressed every time payday hits, wondering whether you should save, invest, or just survive until next month? You're not lazy or bad with money, most people are just overwhelmed. When money feels chaotic, every decision feels heavy and exhausting. Social media tells us wealth should be fast and flashy, and if it's slow, you're losing. We're taught to beat the market instead of building discipline. But the real reason people fail isn't income, it's financial disorder. Time keeps moving whether you act or not. Inflation quietly eats your money while hesitation feels safe. 1 year becomes 10 and regret is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. What if the reason you're not building wealth has nothing to do with income and everything to do with disorder? Hey, I'm Ethan, and this is Ethan's Money Library, where we're building wealth one book at a time. Today we're breaking down the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, a simple plan that's helped millions escape debt and build peace of mind. This video is for educational purposes only, so if you want clarity instead of confusion, hit subscribe and stay with me until the end. Wealth doesn't start with freedom, it starts with order. If your money is chaotic, every dollar makes decisions for you instead of the other way around. Before you dream about investing in passive income, you need structure that tells your money exactly where to go. If you don't know where your last $100 went, that money owns you. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about control and confidence. A budget is simply telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it disappeared. A lot of people try to invest while still living paycheck to paycheck, and that's backwards. It's like buying new furniture for a room you haven't cleaned yet. When your financial room is clean, peaceful sleep and real wealth finally become possible. Debt doesn't usually feel dangerous at first, it feels normal. But every payment you owe is money working for someone else's dream, not yours. Quietly, debt steals your future while you stay busy just trying to keep up. A $400 monthly debt payment doesn't sound scary until you realize that's $4,800 a year you'll never invest. That's money that could have grown, compounded, and worked for you. Debt keeps you busy, but investing builds your future. Low payments don't mean low cost, they just hide how long debt stays with you. Carrying debt is like running a marathon with a heavy backpack you never get to remove. When you eliminate debt aggressively, you gain freedom, clarity, and real momentum toward wealth. Most people think wealth comes from being smart, fast, or lucky. But in reality, money grows from simple habits done over and over, even when they feel boring. Consistency quietly beats intelligence when no one is watching. You don't need massive breakthroughs to build momentum. Saving just $10 a day becomes $300 a month, and that adds up faster than you think. Small actions, repeated daily, create real financial gravity. The real goal isn't excitement, it's calm progress. When you build systems instead of waiting for motivation, money stops being emotional. It's like going to the gym. Results come from showing up consistently, not going all out once. Most people think wealth is about math or how much you earn. But the truth is, wealth is built by behavior, not income level. Two people can earn the same salary, yet live completely different financial lives. Imagine two coworkers earning the same paycheck every month. One saves just 10% consistently, while the other saves nothing at all. 10 years later, one has options and freedom, while the other is still stressed and stuck. This is why lifestyle inflation is so dangerous after every raise. Small daily choices, like spending $5 on coffee, quietly shape your future. Discipline gives you control, and control gives you freedom. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Wealth starts with order. When your money has structure, stress disappears. Debt slows everything down, stealing future opportunities. And consistency always beats complexity. You don't need a perfect plan, just a clear one. Simple actions done well build real financial freedom. If this video helped you, hit like. It tells YouTube this content matters. Subscribe for more book-based money wisdom. And share this with a friend who feels stuck. Now tell me in the comments, what's your biggest money struggle right now? And which habit are you going to fix first? This is Ethan's Money Library, where we're building wealth, one book at a time. Remember, small steps today create peaceful tomorrows. I'll see you in the next one.